Welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a holy fried rice. It's a really super healthy recipe. This recipe requires a few healthy ingredients such as cabbage and onion, carrots, yellow bell pepper, red bell pepper, and garlic and ginger. So to get started, we're going to be water frying this fried rice. And yes, I said water frying because we don't use oil. Now this is a very healthy rice, and here we are going to be adding first ginger and garlic, and periodically we're going to be adding water to it. Also, after we've added garlic and ginger, we add onion and carrots. After we've done that, we need to make sure that we stir, otherwise it will stick to the bottom. Now here we add bell pepper. The bell pepper is very moist, as well as the cabbage. Now once both of these are added, we don't need to add any more water to the mixture. And if you thought that we're going to use kidney beans in this recipe, yes, you are right. We added boiled kidney beans. Now on top of all that, we add brown rice. Yes, brown rice that is cooked. Now, depending on the variety of rice that you have, you can use that particular brown rice, and every single type of brown rice has its own boiling time, so we're not going to get into that here. And the red yellow looking powder is masala, which is used to enhance the flavor of the fried rice. And as mentioned before, it's very important to stir, otherwise the rice is going to stick to the bottom. And there we go. This is the recipe for the holy fried rice. We hope you try it and enjoy it, and we'll see you next time.